Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's address this. Look, and the reason I'm doing this is because I've already done it in another video and explained, but since that was geared toward a certain crowd, I don't think everybody watched it, so I'm just gonna say it again. My hands are blue. Like, you see the tints, you see the fingernails, right? And yeah, my ring, my diamond fell out of my ring as well. It's fine, everything's fine, I'll be okay. But no, as you can see, I decided to experiment in my hair. Don't use splat. I knew better. That's the problem. I knew better. But I used splat. Now my bathtub looks like I drowned a Smurf in there. Maybe 2 or 3 of them.
My plan is simple. Find Smurf Village, capture all the Smurfs, drain them of their magic, and finally use that magic to become the most powerful wizard in the world! Oh, look at me with hair.
But it's all going to be okay. I ordered stuff to get the stains out. It's all good. So, anyways, I did not join the Blue Man group. And no, I haven't strangled Smurfs, even though my tub looks like it. It really looks like something really fishy went on with some Smurfs in my bathtub. Not even exaggerating. But I have scrubbed my hands. I've washed them. I've questioned every life decision that led me up to this point. But it's all good. I'm just rolling with it. I went to the store the other day. Hands are blue, feet are blue. Wearing flip-flops. I know I'm wearing a hoodie right now. It's cold in my room right now, so it's been raining all day. But so there's that funny story for you. But so anyways, let me tell you what we're doing today. I mean, by the title, you probably already know. But I've got a few things. I got a few things and I want to do it. So I got this. It's here. Don't know if you can see it. It's a black color-based primer. It's for your eyelids. And honestly, I'm going to give a shout out to my girl. She used it and I was like really curious because I thought it looked so good. Let me find her page. I'm going to link it. I'm going to try to tell you the name of it too. I can't think of her name off the top of my head. It's not something, it's kind of unique. So let me find her name. Nathilani. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to. Her name is Danielle, but she goes by something else. I'm going to link her Facebook. That's all I have for her. I'm gonna link it in my description because look, girl's great with makeup, okay? And I'm gonna give credit where credit's due. So it was her that got me to order the black primer. Well, that's not the only thing we're doing. Yeah, I'm gonna do a crazy look. I'm gonna do something colorful and fun. It's just for this video, okay? There's a few other things. Guys. Don't worry, I got you. So I got this, and it's a Wet n Wild eyeshadow. I saw a tutorial by Nikki Tutorials using this. She was given props where it was due from another girl, which I don't know that creator's name. I'll go look for it, and I'll also link that in the description. But I was really sure. I've already used it once. I already know what it does, but I'm gonna do it for you. So this is the color. Ain't she beautiful? She is a beautiful. So we're gonna use this today with the black primer, and then also we got more. Okay, so I can draw a star on my eyes. I've done it many of times, but I thought this would be like a little hack for those maybe who were like, how do you do that? And maybe don't know what to do there. So I got some stickers for this. And we're going to use that today as well in the look. Now, what we're also going to do, it is this. Hang on. Ah, it's a lip pump. It's the fish. It's the fishy. We ain't even opened it yet. So, yeah. Oh. Anyway, so we're going to use the fishy today. Anyways, I think we should get started. So, let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right. I got my Hank and Henry mirror. We're going to try to do this where y'all can actually see. Maybe I'm going to have to zoom in on my face. I don't know. But not to prime is a crime, by the way. Nikki Tutorial said that. And if you don't know who that is, and you like makeup, like why the hell are you on my page? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But no, she's like the queen of makeup, like for real, for real. But yeah, what am I doing? I'm acting like I'm new here. Are you new here? I'm a little nervous because I've never used black primer before. Alright guys, so it looks like I've been rubbing on this eye. What the thing is I have, because I did the black primer. I did the black primer. I like the black primer. It won't let me do the makeup look that I want to do. So I'm scratching the idea of that. I will put in a clip of me doing a little bit. Let you see. I'm not a big fan. It's not for me. Maybe I need to get used to it somehow. I don't know. But I'm just going to go ahead and use my regular white primer. And we're going to get this makeup look done. Okay. Just like so. Alright. Now, this is an easy trick. I'm going to show you something really fast. And then feel free to use it. I'm not the one who thought of this. I saw it and I was like, I want to try that. Even though I've already done stars in my eyes as I've drawn them. Well, you don't have to draw them no more. And now I just need to find the bigger. Okay, now I'm going to take this little brush here. And then we're going to go Once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off the camera, and I'll be back once it's all finished, show you the final result, and then we'll move on to the lips. So I'll be back.
One eternity later.
All right, guys. Hey, I'm back. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, you know what this face needs? Needs to look like I got in a fight with a vacuum cleaner. So today is our lucky day because we'll be testing out this little contraption. The instructions say to put it over your lips and suck and hold it. What? Who wrote these instructions, guys? Like, because this sounds less like a beauty product and more like the beginning of an awkward conversation if my husband walks in. Just imagine. Husband walks in and you're doing this and he's like, what are you doing? I was like, well, it told me to suck and hold. You know what this mouth do.
That's nasty.
Just kidding. But no, I think we should just go ahead and get started into this, okay? So, here we go. I don't know how to work this thing.
That's what she said.
It don't work.
Doesn't work. No discount. All right. I gotta say something real quick. I can see a potential maybe making them a little puffy. Okay, and I've seen videos on this, but let me tell you something. When you have it on your lips, you can feel it like going up, like you're losing suction. So I'm not sure. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. We're gonna try it again. Okay, we're gonna try it again. Shoot. All right. Maybe I didn't suck hard enough. I don't know. Like,
That's what she said.
let's see.
Five minutes later.
I can see a little bit. Maybe. What we need. Oh, I can feel it. It's definitely plumped. It's not gonna last though. It's not gonna last for a while. It's gonna go down. Alright, so like that's not going to last very long. Which duh, I already knew that. But it does work. We need to put some lipstick on. Some lip liner. Let's make it dark and pretty. I don't know what we're doing yet. Hang on, we'll be back. I'll be right back. Alright. So I went ahead when I turned it off to we'll go ahead and plump it some more. My lips feel freaking swollen. So we're gonna take a lip liner. I will tell you what this is good for. If you like to overline your lips, do that and then do your. I think it would work. Dude. I'm just saying, like, that's not even overline. They're big. Big old bitches. So I'm gonna use this like this. It's like a purplish pink color. We're gonna go over that line. This looks crazy, guys. What? What am I doing? Like I'm using this pink. That's why spoiled lips. By the way, I never wear lipstick this bright, so this is funny to me. I got to fix that. Like, what the heck? I'm sorry, this is funny as fuck. Shoot. Nope, don't want that. Okay, nope, be clean. Okay, I know what we're doing. I'm gonna take that purple again. I guess it's the look. Don't do that. I look like a fucking clown. What the fuck? But this is the look. I gotta take a picture. I gotta send it to my cousin. She's gonna die. What the heck? She's gonna die laughing. I don't know why I look so big here. Like, I'm gonna show y'all. That's not what happened. This shit's hilarious. We're gonna. So this is it, guys. I will put in a picture. I'll put in a picture what it looks like from the phone, but this is hilarious. I'm dying laughing. I probably will never use this again, but it does plump, and you can still. I'm still feeling it, which I am kind of shocked that I'm still feeling it. But when you're not used to having big lips, it's hard to put lipstick on them because, like, I feel like I look like a clown, and you don't have to tell me. I'm already making fun of myself, so it's fine. It's all fun. It's fine. It's fine. And you know y'all laugh. So, anyways, I'll talk to y'all in the next one, and I'm gonna go wipe this crap off my face. Peace.